to the charts of Big Boss Crypto, bringing on a day trading analysis on Bitcoin and on Chainlink. Today we're going to take a look at what happened during the last week since I was absent, and currently where we're at and what could happen next for Bitcoin and for Chainlink especially. Let's take a look at the charts. So last week was kind of intense. As you can see, we had some drop to the downside. As you can see, big red candles, volume candles as well, got recovered during the last couple of days. So as I said to you in my last day trading updates last week, this was the zone to break 60.9k. If we broke that to the downside, we have a double top confirmation, and if we held below it, which we kind of did in this candle on May 1st, we've currently retraced to the upside, which is normal. So the next leg down is up and coming, and the zone I'm looking at is this volume candle right here, possibly down to 54k, and we could have a retrace from there and then go all the way down to 51, 52k, where the last volume candle resides. From there, I think we can have found our local bottom and we continue to new all-time highs after that. But for now, looking at the next zone to the downside, which is probably around 54k. To invalidate this structure, we need to break this. We need to break all-time high basically. So I'm not going to mark it off for you. So 73.7k is the zone to break to invalidate this structure, and we will continue to the upside. But for now, it looks likely that we're going to have a retrace to downside, which is healthy. Load up on our orders, shake out some weekends, and then bam, pump to the upside to new all-time highs, possibly to 100k. That's something I'm looking at. But for now, you have another chance to load up at 54k or 52k in the coming weeks and months. Looking at the news events for this week, not much is going on. We had unemployment claims on Thursday in the US and consumer sentiment. So kind of a slow week, not a lot of news, which is good trading wise. Looking at the liquidation map, we have liquidated a lot of orders, 58 million right in the pocket of the market maker, and 56, so roughly $100 million in this quick move to the upside. We have a little bit left to the upside. We could go all the way down up to 65.6k and then try to hit those longs, which will come in around let's say 63k. We have roughly 44 million there. Pretty interesting to see. We could see more coming in below here, so this will be even more yellow in the coming hours possibly, because retail goes long when we pump and the market maker does the opposite, and that is why price will reverse possibly from that point. With that being said, let's take a look at Chainlink. So Chainlink looks kind of interesting. As you can see, we had a drop to downside, but alts move differently than Bitcoin does. So as you can see here, we had a drop to downside, spike candle, retrace to the upside, another spike down, and currently we're on a move to the upside. So if we break this point right here at $16.02, we have a double bottom confirmation. I do think we can pump to new highs for Chainlink, possibly up to this volume candle at $30. If we create this double bottom formation, and to do that we need to hold above $16 on the daily time frame. That is when I see a double bottom confirmation, and we will move out there. Last time we did that was right here, as you can see, double bottom confirmation, and we did that here as well and here as well. So when you see that, when you get a confirmation, theoretically you could go long. This is not financial advice, this is for education and purposes only, but you could theoretically do that because it has always been a sign by the market maker that is accumulating. We saw it here as well, double bottom formation. You saw it here as well. I even left it in the chart, as you can see here as well. So we do see these signs, and I found another one here. Oops, sorry. Right here as well. So these are the clues that the market maker gives us, because he makes a profit doing these kind of moves. So take that in consideration. Huge, possible huge opportunity on Chainlink. It is not confirmed yet, but watch out for this, set your alarms, and you could possibly see some nice trades going forward. With that being said, none of this was financialized. I hope you learned something today. Big Boss out.